And now we're gonna try and get these exhaust manifold bolt off. Oh, there goes my ratchet. Alright guys, so I made a mistake. I completely forgot to hit record this morning, and so there's no footage of me putting the transmission in. I already added about 5 quarts of fluid, and I'm gonna start it up. Man, this thing is loud. Yep, got reverse. Forward gear. Let it run. Alright. Got the truck all warmed up. And now we're gonna try and get these exhaust manifold bolt off. Oh, there goes my ratchet. Spray them down with some WD-40. Hopefully we can get them all out without breaking them off. There's always one or two that breaks off. Get my ratchet. Let's start with the first one. Up. Got one to loosen. Let's try the next one. Oh, come on. That one feels real stiff. Alright. Let's try the next one. Oh, there goes my ratchet. Earlier, since I forgot to record while I was getting the transmission out, I went ahead and cut all of the exhaust piping that was underneath the car all the way up into the manifolds. Previous owner welded the whole thing. The whole entire exhaust was welded, even the O2 sensors. They were welded to the exhaust, so that was fun. Comes with already welded in fittings, so we're just gonna cap this side off. This would be good if we were running twin turbos, but we're only doing one single turbo, so we'll cap this one off. And let's go ahead and get started on this turbo log. So another thing I wanted to point out with this turbo log, if you guys do decide to run this one, is right here, right there. You're gonna have to grind it off a little bit because it does contact one of the ports for the sensor. That's what I'm gonna do real quick. So this is right here, what I was talking about, right there. A little bit more off the edge. Now, I'm not sure if that's on all motors, but that's just on the one that I'm doing. That's done. Fitment's not that bad. Kind of sits kind of low, but we're just gonna run with it because this is what somebody on a budget would get. This one was the cheapest one besides building one yourself. This one I believe was 227 or 287, 250, somewhere around there. Very affordable. Fits pretty good. These cooling lines we're gonna have to reroute, and we're gonna have to reroute this box or get rid of it entirely. All right, now we're gonna climb into there and we're gonna install this crossover. I don't know if I have it, but I think I forgot to get a V-band for that. All right, let's get under here. This crossover basically it connects to your passenger side stock exhaust manifold there, comes around here, and then goes to that log that we just put on. Very, very, very easy to install. Bolts right there, and your business. All right, let's go ahead and give this turbo a test fit. Let's get this. Take everything off. Don't need that anymore. Yep, this turbo is very heavy. So another thing that you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take this off right here. All you're gonna do is take this piece right here. That back on. That'll get you some more room. That. This one, probably route this one going this way, and we'll leave this one coming from the water pump. We'll leave it right there. All right, I think we're gonna end it right here. Still got to get a V-band clamp for that crossover tube down there. Tomorrow we will be installing the cover. See you guys on the next one.